Ano ba?
Very
Wala na.
tiring.
Wala.
Ano, we did
Ikaw, di ba gusto mo ng ano?
we
Kwek-kwek?
did
Mommy said hi to the vlog.
we did human bingo. I had to ask the
I'm gonna
upper
do the
levels, grade 9 and grade 10. Then yeah, I ate lunch and recess with Rafa and Kadi. Jeez, ano ba?
What's your recess? I didn't see you again.
I didn't buy anything.
Why?
May food siya.
My food dump siya.
And then,
Bukas,
Ba't
Jimmy,
di
you
siya
buy
nag-ano?
lunch, eh. I will give you extra money. You buy lunch, okay?
Stop! JC, mas JC.
ba't di siya nag-uniform?
Yeah, hindi daw.
Huh?
Hindi daw mag-uniform.
Huh?
Hindi daw nag-uniform kasi nag-gym nga kami.
So di talaga
Yeah,
mag-uniform.
they played games and stuff.
Oh.
Nagano'n ba kayo sa first?
It's orientation week kasi, so expect that there are
Is
no
it fun?
classes
Is it
pa.
fun? Is it fun? Is it fun?
No, very tiring. My complaint is that noong first game, it was hula hoop and they had to like pasa-pasa to each other. Pero di ako napasahan kasi engot yung mga klase ko.
Hindi ka rin naman marunong maghula hoop.
Hindi nga, pero basta. Pero after that, we weren't allowed to join any more
Or
games.
you buy. You don't have money.
Baka ako.
Kasi,
Kasi we already played daw. Di naman
Anong
kami
gusto niyo? Wala kang gusto? Kwek-kwek gusto niyo?
ano ba meron aside sa kwek-kwek?
Wala na.
Yun lang.
Ayoko na
Ikaw, gusto
kwek-kwek.
mo?
Band na daw yung mga pogo eh, so bawal na mag-kwek-kwek.
Ano mo yun? Wala mo.
What else did you do?
What else?
Yeah.
Ano po ah.
Sabi doon ni Daddy, maglalaro siyang volleyball bukas kasi gusto niya
Ay, ikaw?
mag-volleyball.
Nung lang mo.
Wala pa naman clubs.
Wala na tayong gas.
Buti
para
mag-sports club ka, not
Medyo
like
malakas
Girl
na yun.
Scouts,
Hindi,
gano'n.
intrams kasi. Pag
Nagre-ready na kayo agad sa intrams.
Champs. August na kaya? Oh, September yata
I
yung 1
have to find